How to change clock, font, and color on your iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to wallpaper. In wallpaper, here you can see the customize button here. So you can select this one on left side. And now you can see here the clock here. Okay, so you can change the font and color of this clock by tap this, and below you can see the pop-up, and now you can see the font. So you can change the font by selecting on this option. So for example, I select this one, and the color, okay, you can scroll to the left for more color you want. So for example, I select the purple color, and after you select, you can adjust the color of purple, adjust to the right or left. So okay, and after that guys, after you change the font and color of your time or clock on your iPhone X, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to save. And that's it. You have successfully changed the font and color of your clock on your iPhone X.